folks! Welcome back to a new episode of Robotarticles.com. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open a new account on our platform. Remember, registrations are limited. We prefer to have a smaller number of users, but provide better services overall to our community. If you're one of the lucky ones, you'll be able to register today. All right, let's get started. First, go to www.robotarticles.com or click the link below this video. Then, click on the register link at the top right of the navbar. Fill in all your details in our form, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter for tips, notifications of new videos, ebooks, and discounts. Upon registration, you'll receive an activation link via email. Click on it, and you're all set. You'll also receive another link a few minutes later for newsletter registration. Don't forget to click on that one too. Once you're on board, feel free to contact our support for help, questions, or anything related to our website. Stay tuned!